All right, so I just got these earplugs for concerts or for any sort of situation which you need to drown out a little bit of noise. Full disclosure, I did receive these for free, but it won't affect my review. This is the first time I've used these, so you get a full-on first impression. So let's go ahead and unbox these. It's just a little tiny packaging, which is nice. And all right, so it looks like inside we've got a set of earplugs, a little carrying case with a carabiner. That's super convenient. You can like clip it onto your keys or your purse or wherever you're gonna take it with you. Yeah, I like that. It's so small. That is really discreet. And then another set too. That's perfect. Okay, so let's see. It looks like we have a standard set and an extra small size here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and try on these standard size first. So just pop these open, and because I have this carrying case, I probably don't need to save this one if I don't need to. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try these on. So, all right, the instructions say to pull your ear up and just kind of pop it in. And it does have like a little tab on the side here, so I can pull it out pretty easily. Let me try this next one. Okay, I'm just squeezing them in there pretty tightly. All right. Well, I don't feel them in my ears at all, so that's good. It's a very lightweight. They just pop right in there. I feel like the size might be a little big for my ears. Just kind of feel them pushing a tiny little bit, you know, barely I can tell at all. I can still hear myself talking quite normally, so I'm thinking maybe these are not the right size for me. So let me pop these out, and I'm gonna try the extra small size. I do have a smaller head. Okay, let me try these. So lift my ear up and push them on in. Yeah, these seem to fit a lot closer into my ear canal. And then let's try the other ear. Lift up and push in. Again, there's these tabs on them. Okay, yep, it definitely drowns out a bit of noise. You can still hear some things, which is good because if you're going to a concert, you don't want to block out all the noise of the concert, right? You went there for a reason, but it does mute the sound a bit. So I would say these are a good lightweight pair, and it mutes but doesn't block out all the sounds. So you can check these out if you're looking for a pair yourself.